Do what scares you, what layers you thin. Let stone dares you, spill out your skin. Chase what shakes you, what wakes you at night. Let fire that breaks you ignite your sight. Seek what blinds you, what binds you in air. Let silence that finds you become your prayer. Touch what chills you, what stills you to bone. Let shadow that fills you make fear your throne. Stand where storms rise, where skies start to weep. Let thunder that dries eyes stir depths that sleep. Walk where seas lean, where green turns to glass. Let the pull of the unseen teach you to pass. Run where ground groans, where stones split apart. Let the quake in your own bones remodel the heart. Drink what rains black, what cracks in the drought. Let thirst that holds back turn inside out. Climb where cliffs hum, where drums shake the height. Let wind that makes some numb teach you its bite. Breathe what cuts sweet, what beats through your chest. Let the dream you can't keep meet its holy unrest. Step where light twists, where mists hide the view. Let the path that resists be the one you pursue. Love what frees you, what sees you again. Let the leap that keys you unchain the wind.